Hey, this is the Boo, the dinosaur with the noisy snore. Every night Sid's kept awake by noises from next door. He hears a rumbling, grumbling sound, a huge, earth-trembling snore. One night I've had enough, says Sid. He knocks on Rory's door. The Rory's woken others too. They cry, no more, no more. Rory looks down. Sid looks up. Be quiet, please, Sid begs. Just buy some earplugs, Rory wants, and he shuffles back to bed. But Rory feels bad when they're gone. Perhaps his friends are right. I ought to think of others too. He wants to put things right. Rory wanders out of town in search of an idea. He finds a hut far from his friends. They won't hear me out here. He slumbers in and falls asleep. The long dark night ticks by. 3 greedy raptors wander past. Let's steal the food, they cry. They climb inside to take the food. There's lots to steal for sure. Then comes a rumbling, grumbling sound. A huge earth-trembling snore. What was that one? Raptor croaks. Perhaps a monster's near. It sounds so enormous, wails his friend. Quick, let's get out of here. They all run screaming past Sid's house. There's panic in their eyes. Sid wakes up and looks outside. What's going on? He cries. We'll eat the food that's in your hut. Your monster's fierce, they shout. What's that? What monster? Wonders Sid, and he goes to check it out. He takes the path down to the hut and opens up the door. There comes a rumbling, grumbling sound. A loud, familiar snore. When the new day comes around, Sid gives his friend a shake. Oh no, says Roy, not again. Did I keep you awake? No, you saved our food, says Sid. He tells his chums the story. Now a new sign's on the hut. What monster? Wonders Rory. It says, beware of the monster. You're the monster, Sid replies. Please sleep here every night. Your snore will scare off any thieves. They're sure to get a fright. And look, we bought a bed for you. And that night, just like before, Roy falls asleep and gives a rumbling, grumbling, shaking, quaking, huge, earth-trembling snore. How loud is that? Nice boog, innit?